The Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology, often referred to as GCELT, is an institute affiliated to MAKAUT, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, offering engineering courses at the undergraduate levels in computer science and engineering, information technology and leather technology, diploma in shoes and leather goods making and MTech in leather technology. The college is affiliated to the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, formerly known as West Bengal University of Technology, and is approved by AICT. History. The Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology was established in year 1919 on being recommended by the Munitions Board after the First World War to use indigenous resources of hides, skins and tanning materials for producing leather goods and the development of leather industry in India. It was known as Calcutta Research Tannery and was renamed to Bengal Tanning Institute in 1926. The institute became affiliated to Calcutta University and introduced a certificate course in tanning. In 1955, the BSc Tech course in leather technology was introduced. The name of the institute was changed in 1958 to College of Leather Technology. In 1999 to 2000, apart from the B.Tech in leather technology that it was offering, the college started offering B.Tech in information technology, and in 2000 to 2001 B.Tech in computer science and technology. College programs. Freshers Welcome. The event is organized to welcome the first-year students of the college. Usually second-year students organize it with great enthusiasm. On that special day, there is a cultural program with arrangement for lunch for newcomers. This ends with the DJ evening, and the whole event is restricted only to college students. Technical Fest, Engineers for Engineering Students Fest means more than cultural programs, and keeping that in mind, every year students of GCELT with great enthusiasm and joy organizes its annual Tech Fest. Engineers was first organized in the year 2010 by 2008-12 batch, and from the very inception it received fantastic response from both engineering and honors colleges across West Bengal. Cultural Fest, Punormilan. Punormilan is one of the most important cultural event of GCELT, with the get-together of all the ex-students and present students under the same roof. The event brings great joy and happiness with the sharing of feelings, ideas, and thoughts of all the seniors, juniors and batchmates. It brings colorful evenings with the sweet memories of past. Every year a new committee is formed to organize the Punormilan. The committee contains members from all the streams and from present students as well as from alumni. All the responsibilities of organizing the event is on the committee members. The events of Punormilan include inauguration, college performance, tribute to alumni, Rabindra Sangeet, band performance and also DJ. References.